Hello lovelies, this is the Wheatear Stitch, and as you can see it's perfect for ferns and it looks a bit like cactus, doesn't it? Or even seaweed. Firstly, we are going to make an arrow shape. We are going to do 3 lines, 2 diagonal and 1 straight line to form an arrow shape. This forms the top of our Wheatear stitch. The next step is we're going to bring our needle up through the fabric 1 stitch length away below the point of that arrow, and it's going to be roughly the same length as that vertical line. We're going to bring it up through the fabric, but then we're going to slide our needle through under those points of that arrow. We're not going to go through the fabric, we're going to slide them under the stitches, and we're going to form a chain stitch, so back down through the fabric at the base. And then you will do your 2 diagonal lines, the 2 lines that form into the point of the arrow. That's your Wheatear stitch. You're going to continue to go in any direction you want. You can do a straight line or a curve. But always remember, we're going under those stitches and not through the fabric. And there we have the Wheatear stitch. This is perfect for plants and trailing vines. Isn't it lovely? Happy stitching.